Hey there, creators! Today we're diving into the world of rigging and animation. Ever wondered how we bring our characters to life here on the channel? Well, buckle up, because I'm going to show you the exact workflow we use to rig and animate characters using AccuRIG, Mixamo, and Unity. By the end of this, you'll know how to take a static model and make it move like a pro. Let's start by talking about rigging. In simple terms, rigging is the process of giving a character a skeleton so it can move. It's like adding bones inside our 3D model, and once the bones are there, we can start applying animations. For us, rigging is super easy with a tool called AccuRIG by Reallusion. Let's check it out. First up, we load our 3D model into AccuRIG. Once it's in, AccuRIG does the magic. It automatically detects the right spots for bones like shoulders, elbows, and knees. If you've ever tried manual rigging, you'll know this saves a ton of time. Now, sometimes we need to make a few small adjustments, especially around the hands or feet to get things just right. We can move bones manually if needed, ensuring that all the joints are perfectly lined up. Once the skeleton's ready, it's time for skinning. This is where the 3D mesh, or the skin, gets attached to our skeleton. AccuRIG does a great job here by automatically assigning the skin weights so our character moves naturally with the bones. After double-checking that everything moves correctly, we export our rigged model to Mixamo. Alright, now that we have a rigged model, we're ready for animations. Mixamo is our next stop. With its massive library of pre-made animations, it's perfect for quickly adding moves to our character. We start by uploading our AccuRIG model into Mixamo. It's super simple. Just drag and drop. Mixamo recognizes the skeleton and gives us instant access to a ton of animations. Let's say we want our character to do a basic walk, or maybe even a victory dance. We just pick an animation from the library, and boom, it's ready to go. Plus, we can tweak things like speed and arm spacing so each animation feels unique and fits our character's personality. Once we're happy, we export the animated model in an FBX format that'll work perfectly with Unity. Now, it's time to bring everything into Unity. This is where our animations come to life in a game-ready environment. In Unity, we start by importing the model and the animation file. Once it's in, we'll assign the animation directly to the character and set it to loop. This is perfect for simple animations like idle stances, walking cycles, or background actions. Let's test it in Unity's game mode to make sure it plays smoothly. And there you have it, a fully rigged and animated character ready to go. AccuRIG for quick, accurate rigging, to Mixamo for easy access to a library of animations, and then into Unity for the final touches. This workflow saves us time and keeps things super efficient. Alright, creators, that wraps up our rigging and animation process. If you're ready to bring your own characters to life, let us know what you'll animate next in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow creators. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. There's always more to learn. And we have you covered. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.